Hello peeps, guys and gals, and I would just like to come on here and quickly, without being long-winded, tell you guys what my channel is about. There's really not much to it. It's just I would like to put out content about my life, adulting-ish stuff, and fun stuff that we're getting into around here, and there are some exciting things coming up in my life, like for example, I'm getting a puppy soon, and I'm also getting married soon. So if you are into any of that, we just bought a home recently. If you're into any of that kind of content, definitely tune in, definitely watch, definitely subscribe to our channel, definitely hit the like button and comment on our videos when they come up. And there's a bell to also click on so that you never miss anything, okay? So with that said, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys later on the other side. Bye.